Some other common identities are the ones involving theta and negative theta. Again, a negative angle means that you're rotating clockwise instead of counterclockwise. And so theta technically can be positive or negative, but let's assume theta is a positive number. Then negative theta is going to be the same amount of rotation, but it's clockwise from the positive x-axis instead of counterclockwise. So notice with cosine, cosine's the x-coordinate. X doesn't change whether the point is up here or the point is down here. So cosine of negative theta is the same as cosine of theta. If I plug in pi over 6 or I plug in negative pi over 6, I'm going to get the square root of 3 over 2 for both of those expressions. Now for sine, the y up here is positive and the y down here is negative. So sine of negative theta is equal to the opposite of sine of theta. And then from those two, the other 4 trig functions just kind of fall into place. Tangent is equal to sine over cosine. So since sine is negative and cosine is positive, tangent's going to be the opposite when I plug in an opposite angle. Secant is going to be the same because secant is just 1 over cosine. So secant of negative theta is the same as secant of theta. But cosecant is 1 over sine. And so cosecant of negative theta is going to be the opposite of cosecant of theta. And then cotangent will follow suit with tangent because it's the reciprocal. So cotangent of negative theta is the opposite of cotangent of theta.